Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. When it comes to foods that go well together, beef and potatoes should be at the top of anyone's list. It's just not the taste and texture that make these two a perfect pair. They are filling and comforting. Here is what I would do with these two common ingredients: stir fry. Let's get started. Marinate 6 ounces of beef with quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix well and marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. Those of you who like beef can increase the amount, but remember to adjust the seasoning accordingly. Both wet and russet potatoes can be used in this recipe. I have 2 large russets, which is about 1.5 pounds. Cut them into thin strips. You can use a julienne cutter if you have one, but I don't recommend using a regular grater. The pieces are a little thin and break more easily while stir frying. Dilute 1 teaspoon of vinegar with 3 quarts of water. Soak the potatoes in the solution to prevent browning. While vinegar slows down the oxidation process, beware that adding too much will change the flavor of the dish. Additionally, I use half of a medium onion to add some color, flavor, and crunchy texture. At last, cut 2 to 3 green onions for garnish. Rinse the potatoes in the vinegar solutions to remove any excess starch. Then drain. Bring a pot of water to boil. Add in the potatoes. Cover and cook over high heat until it reboils. This takes about 3 minutes. Then take it out and drain. Don't cook them too long. The potatoes will become mushy and difficult to stir fry. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil to a pan. Saute the beef until it turns brown. It helps eliminate the bloody taste in the meat. Take it out and set it aside. Using the remainder of the beef fat, saute the onions to your preferred rawness. Take it out and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a clean pan. Stir frying with a generous amount of oil will make your potato taste like French fries. So add more oil if you like, but the oil must be very hot when you add in the potatoes. Don't stir the potatoes vigorously. Let it cook for a few seconds, then gently flip them over and repeat the process for about 5 minutes. The final texture should be a soft crunch. If you prefer a more crunchy texture, skip the blanching step and stir fry the potatoes raw. By the way, a non-stick pan works great as the potatoes tend to stick easily. Season it with half to 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Return the beef and onions. Mix well. Finally, add the green onions and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.